Hello guys! In this tutorial I will show you how to add a border or a stroke into your text, image or any object. With no further talking, let's get ahead and open Photoshop, click on File and then click on New. After that, choose a template or a preset from Photoshop library or create your own one by just clicking on any one from here and then go ahead and just change it from here. Now for example, let's click on let's choose 890 and click on create. As you can see, this is our preset. Now for example, let's type something. Hi YouTube. Well, basically there's two kind of borders. There is this kind of border, which is we come here, we choose any form of these, and then we click, for example, rectangle tool, and we draw a border around it. As you can see now, it's fully colored. So what we do is we remove this fill and we add a stroke, which is gonna be in black, and we add some pixels to it. And as you can see, here is a border. The second thing, which is doing a stroke into the text itself. So how do we do it? It's pretty simple. Just click on the text twice and then click on stroke and then add the size. As you can see, add some coloring or keep it like that, a little bit like that, and as you can see, now there is a border around the text. You can applicate this or duplicate this on image as well. For example, let's drag a new image, open, and let's drag an image like that. And now as you can see, we will do the same thing, which is double click and add a stroke. Here you can see there is a border around this image. So that was it with this tutorial for today. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.